Hello guys, so this is LeetCode problem number 242 valid anagram given to string s and t return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. Let's take an example. There are two string s and t. S consists of anagram and t consists of anagram. The output should be true because each character, the the count of the character is same as in the string. Let's understand how to solve this problem. So to solve this problem, we will just count the number of character and we will use frequency array to store the count. So to do this, let's take an example c minus a. The sky value of say c is 99 and a is 97. We will find the difference. The difference is 2, and we will increment the second index of the array by 1. Coming back to the example, we will increment there are 7 characters. We will increment 7 indexes by 1. Then we will run next for loop for this t string. We will decrement the 7 indexes because the number of character is 7. And if any of the indexes is if any of the indexes is 1, we will return false. uh, Otherwise it is true. This is a valid anagram. So let's code this out. First we will find the length of the string, sorry. Then we will create an empty array. Then we will run the for loop. In this for loop we will increment the array count. uh, Basically we will just create the frequency array. Next we will run another for loop, and in this for loop we will decrement the array frequency array. Then we will run another for loop for checking if there is any one left. If there is any one left, we will return false. Otherwise it is true. Let's see. Okay, it worked out. So the time complexity is big of n into m, and the space complexity is constant because we are using the constant space. There are only 26 number of characters. Thank you.